Today I'm gonna show you this NanoR bot that I just discovered. Okay, so this NanoR bot is an arbitrage bot that uses Solana and Ethereum dexes. Uh, the bot basically scans the dexes and like finds opportunities where there's a price difference, and they execute trades based on these price differences to make us profits. So yeah, this is a really fast introduction of the bot. This is the wallet I'm gonna use for like testing out the bot and everything. Okay, so we got like 16 Sol loaded up here. I already tried the bot actually, and I made profits with the bot. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. So we're gonna pull up the bot right here. This is the bot. We're gonna start it. Okay, so welcome to NanoArb. Basically, it's a high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum bot. Scans multiple dexes, and yeah. So we're gonna start now. We're gonna like import the Solana or Ethereum wallet. So basically, we need to activate the bot. I'm gonna show you how it scans the dexes and execute these trades based on the price difference in these multiple Solana and Ethereum dexes. You can use the Solana wallet or Ethereum wallet. So we're gonna try out our Solana wallet here. So exactly, we got 16 Sol, and we're gonna grab the private key of this wallet. Okay, I just copied my Solana wallet private key. Basically, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so um, wallet imported successfully. Sol wallet imported successfully. You can now import the other chain or activate. Sweet. So we can like add up our Ethereum wallet too, or we can just activate it with that wallet. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just activate the bot right here. So NanoArb is activated, now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna wait a little bit here, and it's gonna start executing trading, and it's gonna start executing these smart trades and winning us some profits on these price differences. It's basically a very smart and high-speed arbitrage bot. And just like that, we got our first execution. There we go, it's pulling up. So we just swap Bobcat and USDC. There's a 2% difference, 2% edge. We bought on Drift and sold on Aldrin. So our position was like 5 Sol. It used 5 Sol for that position. This is the fees, and net profit is 3.5 bucks basically. You're gonna see this and you're gonna think like it's not much, right? But hey, it's executing trades all day long. So you're basically farming profits right here. So there's damn. So there's that 3 bucks, 2 bucks, almost 2.5, 2.5 bucks, 5 bucks actually. This is a very good one. It like spammed the Bobcat and USDC. So we got Ray and USDC. There's 1% edge, 3 bucks profit, and 2 bucks profit. So we just made like 17 bucks from just starting out. And that's basically because I'm using 16 Sol for this because it, oh shit. Oh yeah, these 17 bucks are now like 26 bucks. So it profited on 8 different executions. Basically, we started out with 16.22 Sol, and now we're at like 16 point almost 5 Sol. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. We just made like 26 dollars profit in minutes as we speaking right now. So yeah, it's really so yeah, it's a really big opportunity for people who is starting out or trying to get into the arbitrage bot thing. This is not a financial advice, but yeah, if you wanna try it out, you can go ahead and try it out at nano arb dash bot. So yeah, this is the link. I'm gonna leave the link in this in the description below, obviously. And yeah, it's gonna keep on executing these trades all day long. You can like it's basically a passive income if you think about it. You can just like load up the wallet, import it to the nanobot, and just keep checking it out. Sometimes it doesn't like profit. Sometimes the execution is not does not go right every time, but it doesn't like cost you money when you like lose an opportunity or something like that. So there's another $2. We're at like 30 bucks right now. So yeah, nice. Um, okay, 36 now. Nice, very, very nice. And you can see the date and time. Yeah, it's very profitable. I've tried it and I advise like with testing out, I would say like go with 5 Sol because the positions is like you can see right here 3.9, 3 Sol, 5 Sol, 4. So it's like averages between 3 Sol to 6 or 7 Sol. Basically, I advise you to like go in with load up like 5 Sol. But if you're trying to like do it like me, you can load up your wallet with, I don't know, 10 or 16 Sol and like watch it go up, you know? Just keep profiting and everything. So yeah. As we speak, we're at 40 bucks right here. Yeah, that's really profitable. But if you go and load up your wallet with like less Sol, you're not gonna make like you're not gonna make a lot of profits. This is a very good average, you know. Uh, when you like load up your wallet with more Sol, you're gonna make more profits, obviously. So yeah. Um, you can like check it out on the description below. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna like update you on the bot on a second video. But yeah, if you're trying to like get into the arbitrage bot, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And yeah, have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. I'm gonna demonstrate the NanoR bot again. So I got a fresh wallet with my lucky number 16, 16 Sol. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate the NanoR bot. It's a arbitrage monitoring and execution bot. It uses Solana and Ethereum. So yeah, it's a high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum. NanoArb scans multiple dexes in real time, executes trades in milliseconds to capture price differences. So basically, it's a really high-speed arbitrage bot that is profitable right now, and I've been like testing it out. It works really good. So I'm gonna leave the bot's link in the description below. Go check it out and try it for yourself. So let's go. I have like 1K and 300 right here. I'm gonna demonstrate with this wallet. So basically you're gonna start the bot. You're gonna start now, and you're gonna import your Solana or Ethereum wallet. Basically, you're gonna like I'm gonna go with the Solana. You're gonna like send your Solana private key, and it will be like processed securely. It's gonna be deleted, and as soon as the wallet gets imported into the bot. So yeah, obviously the arbitrage bot needs to have access to the wallet so it can like execute trades automatically, and all you're gonna do is like watch it and watch it like execute trades, and it's gonna send you DMs of the profits and everything. So we're gonna like I'm gonna import my wallet right now. I just imported my private key right here, and like that, just Sol wallet imported successfully. Now you can import the other chain or activate the bot. So basically you can import another Ethereum wallet, or you can just activate the bot, and we're gonna go ahead and activate it. As soon as we do that, it's gonna start looking for profitable trades, and it's gonna monitor arbitrage opportunities and execute these trades. So basically we're gonna just activate it, and NanoArb is activated. Now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna just sit here a bit until it's executing trades. And that was quick actually. Yeah, we got our first execution right here. The position was 4 Sol, and the net profit was $5, which is really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait. There we go. More executions and more trades. We got another one with 5 Sol position and a $1 profit. And you're gonna like think this is like not much, right? But hey, it's passive income. Like you can run the bot all day long, and it's gonna keep bring in profits. So basically this is $10 right now, and it's gonna keep going. You can like leave it running 24/7 and it's gonna bring profits. There we go. More profits. $3, $3, and $3. Nice. We're at $17 right now. This is the total P&L. Yeah, and just like that, it's gonna keep on bringing profits. It like barely misses sometimes. This is does not say profit. This says like missed opportunity or something like that, and it barely misses. So yeah, you can just like check it out for yourself. I would probably for a beginner, I would probably go in with like 5 Sol, test out the bot and everything. It's a really good starting point in my opinion. So you can like get good opportunities like this with positions that is less than 5 Sol, but your wallet's gonna be when the bot needs like a good position like this or like this, it's gonna the wallet's gonna provide that, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's wait a bit and see if it executes more trades. There we go, more another trade with $4 profit. That's really good on a 2% edge. That's cool. Buy on Phoenix and sell on Orca. Yeah. So we're at 21 bucks profit right now. And it's gonna keep going, guys. So it's a really good opportunity for people who's trying to get into the arbitrage. And yeah, just go and check it out for yourself. The link is gonna be in the description below. And this is everything for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, hold on. Now we're at 24 bucks profit. yeah, it's gonna keep going. I'm telling you guys. So I'll see you on the next video. What's going on, everybody? I have a quick update on the Nano R bot. So I let it like run for a bit, and it's bringing me profits at 112 bucks right now. Yeah, it executed a bunch of profitable trades, profitable arbitrage opportunities actually. So yeah, and it uses Solana and Ethereum. So you gotta check it out for yourself. It's been really good right now. It executes trades with the positions at like 5 sol, 5 sol, 4 sol position. So yeah, I would most definitely go in and try it with 6 sol or 5 sol on a wallet. So yeah, that way it's gonna bring more like opportunities like this: $4 profit, $3 profit, 4 and 3, and yeah, it's gonna keep on like bringing these sweet profits for you. So I'm at like 112 bucks right now, and it's like farming profits at this point. At this point, so yeah, it's a really sweet and very high speed bot. So if you're trying to get onto the arbitrage, okay, hold on. There's a bunch of trades that has been executed by the bot, and we're at like 120 bucks right now, which is really good. I've never seen it go this wild before. So yeah, this is a almost $5 profit. This is 0. That's 70 cents profit, and 3.8 bucks. And yeah, it's finding opportunities on Solana and Ethereum, and finding these 1 to 2% edge, and it's executing trades based on that. So even like 0.16% edge, it executes this trading opportunity on arbitrage opportunity on the it's buying like on Mango markets and selling on Radium. So yeah, there's the difference between these two markets. So it finds these opportunities, and it's executing like trades and monitoring them. So yeah, it's a really nice bot, and I think it's gonna keep on bringing profits. So if you're trying to like try it or test it out, I'm gonna leave the bot link on the description below. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, hold on. We're at 132 bucks profit right now, which is really good. And I'm gonna leave it running like that. We're at like 17.6 sol. Yeah, nice. That is some nice profits. It's a passive income, obviously, so you can leave it overnight and it's gonna keep bringing profits to you. So yeah, that's everything for today, guys. Um, I'll leave the bot link on the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.